Do you have a piece of land in Kentucky that you are looking to possibly sell and you're not sure how to sell that piece of land? You're like, it's not a house, it's not a piece of land. In this article, we're going to talk about how you can sell your land online for free in Kentucky. So usually whenever somebody goes about selling their land online, what they'll do is they'll go and get a real estate agent that they talk to about selling their land to, and then they'll list that property on the MLS, put some pictures on there, and then, have it for everybody to see, right? So that is how most people usually sell their land online in Kentucky. Now, the problem with that can be usually whenever you have land, it usually sells quicker off market than if you list it on market for somebody to buy. From my experience now, this can totally be different to where you have somebody buy it quicker on the MLS, but the majority of the time we've seen it goes quicker off market rather than the MLS. So listing it with a realtor can hurt you in that aspect. And also, if your land's not worth that much, you have to pay 6% commission plus an admin fee and other things for a realtor, then you're looking at a decent amount of your portion being cut off because your land's not, worth $1 million like a house might be, or a few $100,000 like a house might be. So that's how most people will sell their land online. And we have a few recommendations on how you can do that yourself. So whenever we're looking to sell land online, what we do is we have a few websites that we go to. So number one, Zillow has a for sale by owner thing that you can sign up for. You can list your property for sale by owner there. Then you have Fizbo.com, FSBO.com. So that's Fizbo.com. And those are two great sites where you can go and post them to see what people can give you. Another great idea is look up Louisville, Kentucky investor groups or Kentucky investment groups. Join the investment groups within Kentucky, and then reach out to the investors in there to see if they want to purchase any land currently. So that is how we would recommend going online to sell your land. And then also make sure you post it on all your social media platforms, your Facebooks, everything, right? Make sure you're always posting it there. And one recommendation, one tip that we can give you, an AI generated tip, is if you are looking to sell your land online in Kentucky and you need help with the descriptions or what to put, throw the information of the property in ChatGPT and ask them to make a listing description for you. So whenever you put it on your Facebook and Instagram and other platforms, you can put that description there that people will know. And another step, this is not an online tip, but one thing you can do, go get a blank white sign and put land for sale. And put a sign on your piece of land, put a sign in the neighborhood, put a sign on the main roads leading to the neighborhood so that people see that there's land for sale. They'll see the sign and then potentially go and look to see if they want to buy your property. So if you want a no obligation cash offer on your property, or you are looking to sell land and you don't feel like doing it online, you can reach out to us at 502-461-1450. Again, that is 502-461-1450 for a no obligation offer on your piece of land in Kentucky. Or you can visit our website at LouisvilleCashRealEstate.com. Thank you and have a blessed day.